This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To change your default download destination, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Downloads. Then on the center pane, the very top thing here, Location. By default, it's probably set to your Downloads folder. I have mine set to my desktop, but to change the location here, you want to go off to the right and click on the Change button. A little dialog box opens up, and from here, you could select a different location. I'm going to leave mine on the desktop. I'm going to go down to the lower right-hand corner of the dialog box and click on Select Folder. That is how you change your default download destination. Now there's a second thing. The next thing down asks me what to do with each download. If you have this enabled, each time you go to download something, you'll have the little dialog box will pop up asking you where you want to place that particular file. But if you have this toggled off, your downloads will automatically download to whatever location you have listed here. That is how to change your default download destination in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.